Hey, 30-minute marketers. In today's quick video, we're going to talk about how to promote Clickbank products without a website and doing it with free traffic. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. To do that, click on the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Now remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. Like I said, today's focus is on promoting those Clickbank products and doing it without a website and without free traffic. So what's that funnel going to look like? So when you go to promote these products, the typical funnel, especially for free traffic, is going to be Facebook to YouTube to your website. Now, when I say your website, what I mean by that is your website or your own hosting that you have to pay for. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to use a free tool, and the link is in the description to check that out. It's a free funnel builder that you can get absolutely for free and build up to 3 funnels that you can drive free traffic from Facebook and YouTube to. This allows you to not need to build your own website or to have your own hosting, capture leads into an email autoresponder, redirect them back to your Facebook audience or a Facebook Messenger list, and then redirect them over to the affiliate product page where you can make the sell and make a commission. So let me show you what I'm talking about here with the free funnel builder. Again, the link is in the description to check this out after I show you exactly how this is going to work. So the free funnel builder is from Funnels, and it's called Groove Pages. I left a link in the description where you can check out other videos where I cover more about this application and how it works and how to get it for free. But again, you're going to pick this up for free and you're going to use what's called Groove Pages. Then when you log into Groove Pages and you start to set up your sites, again, this is for free. They're going to host them for you. What you want to do is create a site. As you can see here, I've already used all 3 of my sites, so I would need to upgrade to Pro. So if I was to go in here and delete one of these, say that I'm not using it, or I need to create a different one, or I just don't feel like upgrading to Pro at this moment, it gives me one more site that I can play with. Then you would just simply create a new site. But before we do that, what we're going to do is we're going to go find an affiliate product on Clickbank, and we're going to get some free tools from the affiliate, from the vendor that is looking for affiliates, which is you, to be able to promote this product and again, make some commissions from this free traffic. So we're going to hop over to Clickbank, and as you can see here, I'm on Clickbank, and I just did a quick search for keto, and custom keto diet pops up, and they have an affiliate page. So I just simply went to the affiliate page, and on the affiliate page, you can see here that they're providing landing pages for you. So these are landing pages that you can use to drive traffic to and capture leads and then send them over to the affiliate product that you're promoting. And again, that funnel would look like this: traffic from your Facebook, traffic from YouTube over to your website. Of course, this is going to be the pages that you've built for free on Groove Pages. And then you're going to collect those leads and then send them over to the affiliate product, which is going to be the product that we're looking at here on Clickbank. And that product is the custom keto diet. So we're going to download that landing page. And inside that landing page zip file, they're going to provide you the page, but they're also going to provide you assets. And inside those assets are going to be images that we're going to use when we build out our landing page or our squeeze page that's going to be in front of the affiliate offer that we're promoting to make sure we capture those leads from the free traffic that we're generating from Facebook and YouTube. So let's pop back over to Groove Pages, and you can see here I've already built a site. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to go in and edit that, and I'm just going to show you simply and quickly how this is going to work. So if we go back to that file we downloaded, that zip file, and once we unzip it, you'll see custom keto diet HTML. And right here, if you look at index.html, if you were to open that file in, say, another browser and take a look at it, this is what it would look like. So if you were to expand on that, you would see that it's just an image in the background. It's a video, and then it's a button to get your custom keto diet, which redirects them to your affiliate link. But in this case, you could either send them directly to the affiliate link, or you could make sure that you get their contact information, put it in your autoresponder, or send it to a messenger list, or at least get them to a Facebook group. But either way you do it, those are 3 options. But what I'm going to show you here is how to build the page inside of Groove Pages where you can capture the lead and email lead. And again, all this stuff that you see right here was given to us from this page right here, Custom Keto Diet. They're providing the landing pages, they're providing lead magnets, they're providing the videos, as well as they have media buyers, as well as customer demographics that you can target, that you can understand who the actual customer is, 80% women, 20% men, the age ranges, and the countries that are the best target audience for this offer, which is inside the keto niche. So again, we go back to Groove Pages. There's that image right there. We just simply click on Groove Pages. As you can see, we set that as our background. We've chose that image. We uploaded that image right there from our computer, and we just simply selected it. That's select the background. We just dragged and dropped in here, created a headline. Here is a placeholder video. Of course, we'll be using the videos that they provide us here on the Custom Keto Diet affiliate page, so we can download these videos, upload them to our YouTube channel, or host them anywhere else that we want to host them, and then play that, embed that here inside of your Groove Pages, right here where you configure it. For example, you have a YouTube video ID, you just pop that video ID in, and it'll play that video they provide you. And then right here, you have a button, and that button is going to be a pop-up. That pop-up is configured over here. Of course, you can see the pop-ups here on the left-hand side. We went ahead here and configured a pop-up. And you can see now that we have this page right here that we built for free that's going to provide us a headline. Again, just like the example that they gave us, the file that they gave us to use. Of course, this is an HTML file, so you would need hosting to host this on if you wanted to use this file. But because Groove Pages is giving you this access for free for 3 funnels, you can go ahead and you can build this out without needing your own website and utilize that free traffic from Facebook and YouTube to get to this offer. Again, this is the web page that they gave us right here, the HTML file. We're just taking that and we're just mirroring that configuration inside of Groove Pages, inside of the funnel builder. And again, once you build that out, simple drag and drop, you take a look at the preview for this page. This is what that's going to look like, your headline, your primary headline, your video that they're going to watch. Then it's going to have a button right here. That button's going to pop up. And of course, right here, this is going to be your text, not the placeholder text that's here. They're going to pop in their email address and they're going to subscribe to your newsletter, which is going to put them on your email list, and you're going to follow up with them. So again, that's inside of Groove Pages. You built all that for free with the 3 free funnels and sites that you have inside of Groove Pages. Again, the link is in the description to check out that free funnel builder. So go ahead and be sure to do that. And what that gets you then is a nice free funnel, a nice free traffic funnel that looks like this. Traffic from Facebook, traffic from YouTube, over to your website, which again, this is not going to be hosting you pay for. This is going to be one of the 3 sites that Groove Pages and Groove Funnels is giving you from the link in the description. You're going to build that page. You're going to use the information that the vendor has given you to promote their affiliate products, and you're going to capture those leads, put them on an email address, add them to your Facebook audience, or put them on a Facebook Messenger list. These are all the ways to get traffic and to utilize free traffic and build an audience using free tools and getting traffic from these sources, Facebook, YouTube, to your Clickbank offer with no website. Again, check out the link in the description for that free funnel builder from Groove Funnels and Groove Pages and get started with that. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, more awesome content in the videos you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.